Well, hey folks, Henry Rowe here, obviously, from Mud and the Madness. We're doing something a little bit different with this video today, just because I feel the need. I have a bunch of old videos that I took when I lived at a house in Benton, of me and my wife out playing on the Mudmores that I built, and just to show you guys the fun that you can have on these things, but they're really short, so I'm just going to put a whole bunch of them together, and come up with one video that you can sit there and watch or not. It's totally up to you. But there's, just broke it up into little shots here and there. That we were running on cell phone cameras at that point in time, so we didn't record the whole ride because we didn't want to fill our phones up for one thing. And going and playing in the mud, probably not a good thing to get your cell phone wet either, where it's the only line of communication we had. So without further ado, we will start watching those videos. I do have a couple more videos I'll be putting out on builds and stuff like that, which are in the editing block right now. There's my dog in the background. But I will be getting more videos out to all of you. I hope you enjoy them. Like, subscribe, leave comments, hit that thumbs up and that little bell, and switch it to all notifications so you get notified every time I come out with a new video. And for you doing that, I appreciate it greatly and thank you very much. In the comments you leave, they can give me a direction to go in on some builds or some videos and things that you guys might want to see. So, like I said before, without further ado, we're going to get into that video now and call it good. Thank you very much, and God bless.
I had to try to find a dry cloth in my shirt to wipe my hand off with my phone. It's Henry's turn. Oh, he's gonna be nice and dry. My turn. Alright, here's Henry after 2 days of going through our usual puddle. Not bad for going slow. Okay, on our way back, Henry's at manhole number 2. Ooh, he's gonna be wet and cold. My turn now, I guess.
And that's why we do this stuff, because it's really fun. And here comes my bride to a hole number 2, actually, or 3 now. It's Well, she's gonna come through with her new tractor, all fully swapped, throttle pedal. Yeah, she does. Well, folks, nice to be back again. Henry Rowe from Mudmores. I got both tractors all gear swapped now, or fully swapped. My wife's tractor has a 6-inch pulley in the front and a 5-inch pulley in the rear. I went and created a throttle pedal for her. All kinds of fancy there. That one right now is an 8-inch pulley on the front, and a 7-inch in the back. Changed it this weekend for a 5-inch on the back. And of course, the throttle pedal none of you get to see me put on. Because I'm damn lazy to film this stuff on day. Of course, I need both hands busy anyway. And there's my beautiful wife. We're gonna go play in a mud hole, and we'll talk to you then. Absolutely. Oh, folks, here I am again. Henry Rowe from Mudmores. Just finished repairing a trailer I bought on Facebook Marketplace. I bought it for the tires originally, which are on my wife's tractor now. But you get the trailer done. It's actually kind of nice. That is what the beast looks like. Had to re-weld the whole new axle system up underneath it. All kinds of extra fancy supports and all kinds of good stuff. It's all there, it all works. There's my wife's tractor with the new tires on it. We'll go over and get a better view of the tires that we finished on there last weekend. And there's our new tires that were on that trailer when we bought it. We're adding to the shifter now, so it's more comfortable. Alright, so here's a new and unique thing that we do when we're living in a camper with no power or running water or any of that. We buy generators and do what we gotta do, right? Well, here at Mudmores page, we do really weird things like this. That is a Ryobi pressure washer, which is now converted into a shower. You heat water, put it in the jug, press the trigger off, and water comes out that thing there. You can wash and be clean. That's what I got to show you for today. My better half, my beautiful wife, is out working on the racks for our Mudmores, which I recently put tires in the back of mine, and I just ordered hers today. So, throw a comment in, let me know what you think. We'll talk to you all later. God bless, have a good day.
Henry and Lazarus, take 2. There we go.
And here comes my beautiful wife, back through the hole again. We're just out playing, having fun today, relaxing, and being happy people. As happy as I hope everybody else can be. Well, I'm almost falling over. And I'll be back in a minute. My wife's gonna come through. That's the fun of what we do. God bless, and I'll catch you in a few minutes. Alright folks, here we go. My wife's gonna come through the mud hole that I just went through. Regretfully enough, you all missed it, but here she comes. And that was on Sam. I'll be back. Okay, here we are back at our first mud hole that we played in a lot. And the wave's coming through one time, so here we go. Downshift. Lower gear. That machine is not really set up for it at all, but it's all good. We'll be back.
Okay, Henderson to Lazarus. Hopefully the belt won't slip. I'll get where I can see him and not get drenched. But we'll see how he does. Hun! Looks like the belt didn't slip and I should have fun going through that. Have fun. Mud hole number 2 for the day. Here's Henry. Oh, he's drenched. Yes. My turn now, I guess. Our second hole. Hopefully the belt doesn't start to slip like last time. New belts on those two. Have fun.
And here comes my beautiful bride on my Mudmore. We'll see how she does with that. That's my baby. That one on. Oh. Huh? Oh, you're getting there. And here's hole number 1, which is actually hole number 4 now, but my wife's gonna come through it on my machine again. Playing with the throttle and the pulley swap and all that. Wicked cool. Here we go. That's my baby. Well, honey, what do you think of your first time mudmooring on a pulley swap? And throttle pedal. You guys missed. Toy. What do you think, bud?